So good day everyone, and to you sir, good day. I am Jamela Saldoa, and today we are going to talk about what is non-communicable disease. So anyone who have idea what is non-communicable disease? Okay, so non-communicable disease is a disease that is not transmissible directly from one person to another. So it means dili siya directly makatakod sa isa ka tao to another person. So here are some non-communicable but dreaded diseases. First, hypertension. Second, cardiovascular disease. Third, heart attack. And last, stroke. So first, we're going to tackle what is hypertension. So, anyone who have idea what is hypertension? Hypertension. Blood pressure refers to the force exerted by the circulating blood on the walls of blood vessels. It is one of the body's vital signs. The pressure of the circulating blood decreases as blood moves through arteries, arterioles, capillaries, and veins. Blood pressure generally refers to arterial pressure, the pressure in the larger arteries, the arteries being the blood vessels which take blood away from the heart. So, ang kaning hypertension kay kanino siyang force nga naga-exert sa atong blood walls padulong sa atong blood vessels. Muni siya ang hypertension. So next is cardiovascular disease. So anyone who have idea what is cardiovascular disease? Okay, so cardiovascular disease. High blood pressure increases the risk of coronary artery disease, also called atherosclerosis. High blood pressure puts added force against the artery wall. Over time, this extra pressure can damage the arteries. These injured arteries tend to become narrow and hardened by fatty deposits. They block the flow of blood to the heart and cannot deliver enough oxygen to the other parts of the body. So, it means kung taas ang imong blood pressures kay nagataas pud ang risk sa atong coronary artery disease nga ginatawag po nato og atherosclerosis. So, kung taas imong high blood pressure kay naga-add pud ang force gani against sa atong artery wall. Nya kung daghan po extra pressure nga kon sa atong blood kay makadamage pud sa atong arteries. So, pag taas ang atong high blood pressure pud kay pwede siya mag-block sa flow sa atong blood padulong sa atong heart, mao nang dili kay maka-deliver og enough oxygen para sa atong other parts sa atong body. Mao na ang cardiovascular disease. So next, heart attack. So, any idea what is heart attack? Okay. A heart attack causes permanent damage to the heart muscle due to loss of blood. Some heart attacks are sudden and intense. However, most heart attacks start slowly with mild pain and discomfort. Generally, heart attacks involve discomfort in the center of the chest that lasts more than a few minutes that goes away and come back. Income occur as well as nausea or lightheadedness. So kani pong heart attack kay maka-cause po ni permanent damage sa atong heart muscle mo nang ma-loss of blood ang atong heart. So kana pong heart attacks kay kanang mo po dra na ta makabati o kanang hinay-hinay gani nga sakit sa atong heart kanang mo nang ginatawag nga mild pain niya. Pag makabati na kag mild pain sa imong heart kay mag-alingasa mangyud kano kay di na kay kakahinga muna siya ang mo pa na ang slowly nga ginapabati sa heart attack. So next is Stroke. So what is stroke? Any idea? So, stroke. The brain requires obstructed blood flow to function. Very high sustained blood pressure will eventually cause blood vessels to weaken. Over time, these weakened vessels could break and blood could leak into the brain, the area of the brain that is being stroked. In addition, if a clot blocks a narrowed artery, blood ceases to flow and a stroke will occur. So, ang kaning stroke po, kay kani po ni siyang gani sa blood flow sa atong brain kanang dili gani ma-function. So, ang atong brain man yun kay kailangan man jud og blood pressure para kuan gani para mo andar siya o kanang mo function jud siya maayo. Kani pong taas ta og blood pressure kay maka-cause po na siya sa atong blood vessels nga kanang mohina gani nya kani pong mohina na atong vessels kay pwede siya kanang ma-break ba or maguba nya maong ang kanang nagay mo tawag ana blood clot mo nang ang dugo gani kanang nigawas na sa sa brain. So, the area of the brain that is being stroke, sa mo nang ginatawag pag inana na gani, mo na siyang mahitabo na mo nang na-eye stroke, mo na-eye stroke. So, pag kana ganing ang atong brain kay makuha na og kanang dugo magawsa na ganing dugo, kanang dira na mahitabo ang stroke. So, that's the end of our discussion and that's all. Thank you.